Hello everybody, my name is Skylar and I'm here with the North Mason High School's SWAT team. Today I'll be doing an app review on Microsoft Whiteboard. Just to let you know, this is currently just a preview, so any features that I say are unavailable are currently unavailable, as this is a technical beta for the product. And without further ado, let's get into it. So to start off, there is a wide variety of colors that you can use to draw and write with. This can allow you to categorize things that are important, things that are not important, something you should show. You also have a highlighting tool, which is really nice for things such as, well, highlighting. With Whiteboard, you can have your mouse dragging around, but in order to do that, you have to have this button right here, the finger inking, turned off. So if you have it on, you won't move, but you will write with whatever tool you have selected. In this case, I had turned it on and started highlighting. And I can just go ahead and easily erase that. So you have black, red, blue, green, a sort of rainbow colored ink that changes colors the longer you draw, as you can see there, and then restarts back at red. You have a blue sparkle that goes from blue and purple and back, and then you have your highlighting tool and your eraser tool. Sorry if I'm going a little too slow or a little too fast. Something else with Whiteboard is that there's a ruler, which is really nice for measuring angles on triangles during a math class when you're trying to start teaching right triangles. Good for drawing straight lines. Oh, I didn't actually know that. So now that you know, you can pick up your drawing and move it wherever you would like to. Or you can just erase it. Something that I really like about Whiteboard is you can import photos in, as I have imported here. You can pick them up and drag them and move them around. You can also stack them, if it'll let me select. And as you can see, if you hover your mouse over that, the pictures are now stacked. And then you can drag and drop them and flip through them, as you can see. Which I think is a very interesting feature. And then you can write under this, once I select the finger inking on again, NMHS. And there you have North Mason High School's mini collage. I'd say that this is a good product. I'm not sure what it would be specifically used for, as everything that Whiteboard can do can be done in OneNote. A feature that is coming eventually, once it's in its full release, it will be collaborative altogether. You can share it with people and they can change things in real time. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.